Buenas noches, Zamboanga! Ngayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Assalamualaikum! Welcome to our Big Fundamental in collaboration with Asian Concept Store 18 and Under Basketball League. Our main event of the evening between Khalifa and J Sport. Let's now meet the starters for both teams. Starting with Khalifa. Wearing jersey number 15, the small fundamental, Roy Gallo. At power forward, wearing jersey number 34, and an hero of the video, Romy Araneta. Jersey number 10, Jacob Fabian. Shooting guard wearing jersey number 1, the man, David Solar. And at point guard, jersey number 14, the General Ronnie Gallo. Head coach for Team Khalifa, Ronnie Gallo, assistant coach, Glenn Arnagel, and team manager. And now, the starters for Yankee Sport. At center, wearing jersey number 14, Raver Dominguez. Power forward.
What is mga kabowlers? Introduction of our players, and it's a battle between JD Sports and Khalifa. So we'll find out who will be dominating in this ball game. Will it be Khalifa, the powers of Khalifa, or the notable JD Sports? So it is going to be an interesting matchup. So tingnan natin kung sino mananaig dito sa second game natin. Santa Nina Taib from Yusra Abao. Uno number image Abao. Shout out kay Xander Seno, kahit warmer lang from Gian Seno. Good luck Xander Seno from Gian Seno. Good luck Khalifa from Orange Shooting. Good luck Team Khalifa from Santa Taib. Good luck Khalifa Sharifa Unding. Good luck Team Khalifa. So sana yung mga taga JT Sports, ito sa live natin. Tingnan natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng first ball. First ball is with Team Khalifa. Ronnie Dale Santos to his brother, but it's a turnover there. JD Sports with that easy basket there for JD Sports. Good luck JD Sports. Good luck Team JD Mom. Proud mom watching here, Raver Dominguez. Good luck medalyo from Diane Flores. Good luck daw kung balon. Abadis Yunana from Rayad. Watching from Vitali. Good luck Team Khalifa. Our Lodi Oscar Rebollos is watching. Repa Pips is watching. Let's go JT from Uliven Ilaya. And one there for Getsen. Dollar. Let's go JD. Go Khalifa from Ari Shooting. Nice one Rema. Repa pesabi talatamento na Hong Kong. Wano magitaan da ulit na Singapore and Vietnam Repa. Ball now is with Team JD Sports. Close to close for JD Sports. 4-2. Ang ganda ng start dito ng JD Sports. Alata talagang pinagpraktisan ang game na to. This is a debut game of JD Sports and second game for Team Khalifa. In their first game they won in their debut game.
First foul of Tinaya. Second team foul.
Good luck Team Khalifa from Yusha Abal.
Table.
Soon Yarema Munu. Wala si Boss Judy. Di ba kanado na Hong Kong. Good luck JD Sports. Yes sir. For Tres. Yes para sa Tres. For Ronnie Dale Gallo. Good luck JD Sports. Hassan Kursh. Let's go Gallo Brothers Love ate. Man ready kita Rema. Ready lang kita Repa. Ready lang kita. Shout out to JD Sower and Heat Presser from Mark Don Smikan. Good luck to the Sports of Charm. Shout out ma'am ko Cyril Enriquez. Oh, ko sa Sam. Cyril Enriquez Almidor. Good luck. Alfred Indanan. Freddy Boy is watching. Anspo Yatamin. Yun talagang iniiwasan natin dito sa developmental league. Anspo na yan. Go Khalifa. Ledesma Samantha. Kailan game ng Omers ma'am?
We'd like to remind our brothers to please control your emotions.
Controller emotions.
Natin ha, pag hindi natin makontrol yung emotions natin, we are out of the league. And we will give you sanctions na masuspend kayo maybe a year. So please control your emotions.
Lance Ledesma is watching.
Substitution.
Okay lang naman maging physical, no? Pero let's control our emotions because besides, this is a developmental game. This is just a game. So, you know, at the end of the day,
10 seconds on the shot clock.
You still need to be friendly with everyone. For sure, magkakakilala lang naman to silang lahat. Let's go Khalifa, especially to my brothers Carlo and to Daddy Onko.
Araneta to Gallo. It loses the ball.
Turnover there for Team Khalifa.
And it's a steal.
A steal there. But a counter steal there by JD Sports. Grabe yung depensa ng both teams. Ayaw talaga magpatalo when it comes to offense and defense. Turnover there and the ball is with Fabian. Nash Omar is watching. Good luck sa inyo Nash. Alam ko, alis kayo mamaya. Paano nyo Nash? Ipa-champion nyo para makahabol ako. Makahabol. Magpa-champion kasi habol ako para mag-live tayo sa Big Fundamental. Good luck oh. Alam ko na yung GL Calabud. Good luck daw. Of course, we'd like to thank our sponsors, AG Lab, Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJE Graphics, Sensation by Doc Lawrence Stan, ERBL, Alamar, Seafoods Restaurant, Adex, and Waka Valdez, Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3 Apparel, at sa mga basketballista ng Pilipinas. Salamat ma'am siya, inshallah ma'am. Sige lang, kaya nyo yan. Alam ko naman na you really play with all your heart. Diba?
Foul on jersey number 14. Shooting foul.
JB ang new host. Hi, Al-Internet. Diken Internet ma'am. Shout out Google Khalifa from Melanie De La Rosa.
Basket count.
Running score natin. 6-9.
The money man, all the way to the basket.
Official running score natin, 6-11 in favor of Team Khalifa.
Dinaya being handled by Galar.
Shout out to James Aliasan from Bench Milan.
13 to shoot, 13 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Aligaria in.
Thank you so much to our viewers for tuning in dito sa ating second game.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Offensive foul on jersey number 13.
Number 13 there was called
First personal foul.
offensive foul. Jaizar Mohammed is watching. Go, Ando.
The money man.
Grabe. Ang bilis dun yan, no? Ang bilis dun. Money man. Dollar. Shout out. Galio. Arich Unding. Miss you, Coach John from Bench Milan. Shout out Muhammad Azim.
El hijo de Bumiao. Romnick Araneta. Foul. First foul on Aligaria. Penalty.
Ma'am, okay naman po dito sa amin. Sa monitoring phone namin, okay naman po siya, ma'am. Hindi naglalag and all.
Foul on jersey number 14. Ronnie Dale Gallo.
Shout out Ma'am Shane from Jaizar Muamil. Shout out Boss Bernard Beasa. Boss Bernard, salamat yun sa pagtabang sa ato ang mga players, no, for extending help. Financially, it's already big help for our young aspirants, no. So thank you so much, Boss Bernard. Go Khalifa from Yusha Abao.
Arabal. Khalifa po. Siyempre, sarap natin yung mga tropa natin dyan sa taas at Kitwa Tailoring. Especially sa pinaka-playboy dyan, si Alnor Mutab. Tengo 16 seconds on the shot clock.
Shout out guys, Stephen John Rebutazo from Gian Santiago Seno. Araneta, the pride of Bungyao.
The Manilan.
Sayang. That could have got the lead there.
Araneta.
13-point lead na, guys. Yung hinahabol ng JD Sports. Ana. Parang nakakalito nga talaga yung uniform nila. Oh.
Foul. Jersey number.
Shout Maravilla family and Vicente family from Sir Nels Maravilla. Sabroso pa man sila chicken barbecue, no? Di Maravilla. El Sos Casel Sabroso. Baka naman.
Shoutout sa Maravilla family all the way from Bualan.
Shoutout Mooks Referee. Jolix Tan. Shoutout kung Epang de Baliwasan Grande Benchman. Let's go Khalifa Busog Binoya. Ma'am Takeda got blurred. Takeda blurred? Mira daw. Si blurred daw. Blurred. Tamanda yung mira ma'am na otro, ano? Daman, no?
That's your first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ma'am, hindi, na other phone, hindi po, ano, hindi blurred, ma'am. Shoutout kay Gia, number 7. Okay man el signal. Okay man el signal. Dala internet sa ma'am. Okay man. Yes. Daya man daw man check na otro phone. Kasi na di mi yung monitoring phone. Okay man le. Naman daw yung check na otro phone. Okay ele ma'am. Clear got ma'am. $21-9 is our official running score. Ano man? Ha? Bigay mo lang yan kay Lalo. Oh. Okay po dito sa may signal. Shout Ma'am Shane, number 1, Renren Balyon. Takeda blurred kasi per kasi na dispute. Baka nga. Manalo siya ng Khalifa. By Balamo. Ma'am Mark. Ketal Ma'am, Germany. Pa-shot number 26. Referee Mooks. Wala na sound.
All the way to the basket. Time out. Charge. Time out.
One 25-9 is our official running score. We'd like to thank our sponsors, AG Lab, Concept Store, Merja Dalipe, FJE Graphics, Zensation, ERPL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Crocs, Sports and Kings Collection, S-Street Print Apparel, and SBP sa mga basketballista ng Pilipinas. Shout out kay ref number 20, Tito ko yan. Shout out. Love you so much, number 14.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul against
On jersey number 13. San Luis.
San Luis. Highlights, Uncle Breaker.
10 to shoot. Kumayaw. Easy basket for Dayaw. One minute and 24 seconds.
1 minute and 24 seconds. 27 to 11.
10 to shoot.
Sayang yung mga baskets ng JT Sports.
Sariul, wide open shot. No good. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Offensive foul on jersey number 13. That's your second foul. Corner tray. Khalifa ball.
Another
Technical foul.
technical foul.
On head coach of Khalifa.
Technical foul on Coach Oni.
For disrespecting the officials, technical foul starts to head coach of Khalifa.
Technical foul on head coach Khalifa for disrespecting the officials. Shoutout kay Steven, idol ko yan. Idol sa si Gupit Taugay nilang tapasal uban. Shoutout kung Epong, galingan mo sa Adamson. Shoutout Ma'am Shane. Shoutout Kulang. Kamusta ang buhay may asawa?
Foul. Penalty on jersey number 5.
So every technical, every technical, every unspo, there's corresponding penalty and fines. No, enante. So meron po yung mga penalty and fines. Pa-shoutout po Almujar Abdullah Khalifa. Relax lang Coach Oni Galo. Amo man, relax lang Coach. So, tiyan sa mga corresponding fines and penalties. Aware sa todo coaches and team managers and team owners kaya na meeting sense. Almujar Khalifa, solid watcher. Thank you so much, Almujar Khalifa. Thank you so much for
10 seconds for the shot
supporting the league. Shoutout kun Baki Ma'am from Mushtaq Pinoy. Pa shoutout Kus Mahajirul.
Basket count. Christopher Gutierrez.
So that ends our first quarter. Grabe yung action dito. Hitik na hitik sa action dito sa 18 under. Pa-shoutout po, good luck JD Sports, Edgar Clemente. So, lahat na, every technical, every ads mo.
Send to your live jersey. Para hindi tayo miscommunication sa mga
So, mag-change ata ng jersey top yung Khalifa para hindi magkaroon ng confusion. So, this is Big Fundamental Basketball with AG Lab Concept Store. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Mayor John Dalipe, FJE Graphic Sensation by Doc Loris Tam, ERBL Alavar Seafood Restaurant, Adex Zamboanga Valentes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Crocs Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3 Apparel, and SBP. Pa-shout po kay Kyle Villanueva. Shoutout kay Jonan Kusujo. Wala po si Barahim dyan, ma'am. Hindi ko lang alam. Hindi ko kasi makita talaga. Hindi ko nakita yung line-up, the whole line-up ng Khalifa. Go Khalifa, you shot about. Gogo Balyon from Floribal Balyon. Pa-shout po ko, Kyle. And we're back to the ball game in our second quarter of this ball game. Shout out kay Edsel Tumbling Manada Chicks from Vin Bukoy. Shout out kay Edsel Tumbling Gian Seno. Pa-shout ma'am, Coach Omar Lebron Alamia. Let's go Khalifa from Jim Jimenez. Pa-shout po kay Benny Milan, reto ko na sa kanyang kasama ni Antilea, Justin Torral. Let's go, Khalifa. Shoutout kay Edsel Tumbling Manada Chicks. Go, Rendo Balyon. Shoutout kay Bukoy King Croxy Sinunok, Gian Seno. So, 27-13. So, kailangan talaga nila depensahan yung mga key players to contain their key players, no, para to lessen those shots kasi mahirapan na sila magdepensa na. Alam naman natin yung kalibre ng Khalifa players, but of course it's still new. There's lots of time to make those adjustments. Shout kun Wiener Bukaking. Shout David Kibilan, Rosmar de Zamboanga, Ronan Villaros. Rosmar gayot.
Ten seconds for the shot clock. Then shoot.
Shot kun Shin Mars ang lay di miyok ko kang.
4 seconds. Then shoot. Register substitution. Jersey number 27, Sumawas.
Shoutout ko Ronyan Belarus. Apiki kami ang room. Uy, gusto siya pa sa...
10 seconds.
Good patience there by JD Sports.
Rubit. Dive from Humala.
Coach Jonathan Belorio is watching.
Sumabay ka pa. Sabi ni Tinaya.
Shoutout kong Baki from Renren. Araya guys, ako may kay kunambraga chunay pa yung dinner guys.
Tumayaw. Substitution. Time out. Warning on Khalifa for playing zone defense. First warning.
Shoutout Madam Era. Madam, baka naman pag dinner lang.
Oh my God, this Rasul is watching!
Wala, di pa kami kumakain, Madam.
Shoutout kay Madam Era Rasul. Oh, parang kay Baliwasan, so tuloy pa kami katawan. Carla. And Kapitana, ng parang kay Baliwasan.
Coach Gcash.
Ala!
Gcash ko na lang, Madam. I-PM ko na. Di pa ko daw kumakain si Kyle kanina pa.
Oh my God! Nadamay pa ako. Pang dinner lang, Madam.
Foul. Jersey number 5, Lagan. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Oy, magsukol, Madam. Magsukol.
Rubit.
Ala. Wala pa ito. Sent na, Madam, ang Gcash.
Ando. All the way to the basket.
Shoutout, Ma'am, from David Kibila and Kitwaden.
Di nakita yung ringlo ni Calabo. Christopher Rubit. With a basket. Early now, 40-17. Time out, time out.
Okay, there you have it mga ka-bowlers. Ako muna papalit kay Madam Shane. So, umexit muna ng konti si Ma'am Shane dahil masakit ang tiyan ng ating courtside reporter. Yeah, as you can see, we're live. And hello sa ating 114 viewers. Kahit shoutout mo kita, naka-green hoodie. Rafi, Tangkaan, shoutout sa'yo, idol. Naka-green hoodie. Let's go, Team Kalipa and JT Sports. Yan, our official score. 18 serving, 45 for the Team Kalipa. Ayan, shoutout nga pala si Chong Amil. Ayan. Ang aking kaibigan palarong pambansa. Shoutout kay Mateo by Makasu. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. Our official running time is 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Ralph Montero, shoutout Gian Dotolio, shoutout sa'yo. Joshua Taib Abaw, shoutout Madam. Sabi niya, Team Go Kalipa. Ayan, as you can see, we're live. Florabel Balyon, shoutout sa pinaka-supportive mother ni Renren. Ayan, all the way from Barangay Talon-Talon. Ayan, hello sa ating 133 viewers. And guys, keep on sharing our screen. Ayan, yun, tama yun, sabi ni Coach Joseph, no? Kailangan nating lagyan ng limitasyon ang ating emotion kapag sa loob ng court. Ayan, para hindi tayo magkakaproblema. Para hindi tayo ma-technical. Ayan, simple lang yan eh. Just enjoy the game. Just show the sportsmanship. What a 3 points for jersey number 8 from Team JT Sports. Yeah. Shoutout kay Jason and kay Flores Kubing. Shoutout kun din sa Payani, Rupert Kibilan, and shoutout kay Junray Cadiz. Shoutout sa'yo. Kay Lalang El Agua, all the way from Barangay Talon-Talon. Yan, the pride of Southern City Colleges. Shout out sa'yo. Shoutout nga pala sa kaibigan kong si Zia Tan, ang fresh na LGBT member. All the way from Barangay Bualan. Again, our official running time is 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Arich Unding is watching. Hello, shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout ko na Pedi Cruz Taliele Akaltahuga Auras. Sayang, yapas malang by Erickson Toads. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout kay Lou Guevara. She said kuno. Yash Sharabi is watching. Also kay Yan Manyalag. Shoutout sa'yo. Mike Sanchez Ibases. Shoutout. Shoutout sa ating mga manonood dyan. Kurt Sebastian from Ziatan. Shoutout. Ayan, all the way from Upper Calarian. Shoutout natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Kay Kurt at saka kay Ziatan. Shoutout sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, shoutout sa aming Yarinaku Biaun by PJ Poras. Ayan, the SK Kagawad of Barangay Bualan. Isa-shoutout ko lang aking mga kaibigan dyan, ng mga SK chairman ng Sambuanga, Kinakadis, Patrick Reyes, sino pa ba? Si Saji from Riondo, Tandico from Arena Blanco, and Von from Bualan, and Lloyd from Lumbangan, also shoutout. And also Fidel Bass, shoutout from Zone 3, ang SK chairman. And Family Musa all the way from Santa Barbara, shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout natin ang pinaka-supportive mother ni Jacob Pabian, na narito po sa loob ng court, naghihiyawan. Oh my God. Kyle Pogi from Muamil. Oh my God, all the way from Emilio Aguinaldo College. Ayan, Muamil. Shoutout Conel Di Mio, Uncle Di Davey Mark Esperame, El Good Boy de Mampang from Maricor Tods. Shoutout Ali. Shoutout kong Sabanal Jutay Taru. Ayan, from Junilo Deposa. And also kay Coach Omar Alamia from Basilan, the coach of McPhee Basilan. Shoutout sa Coach Joshua Urbano, Lovely Pentoho. Shoutout kay Edgewood Basketball from Genesis. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Hello sa ating 132 viewers. Chris of Faith, shoutout kung Kevin Rojas. Ayan, shoutout nga pa natin ang ating mga viewers. Shoutout ko mi idol Kyle, si Ronel, Alegria, Talina Court, Ara, Tahuga. Aaron Pexon, ang injured boy. Shoutout Ali ko ka na Andre and RC. Shoutout sa ating Climaco also is watching. And Sumahido. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo lahat. The team of McPhee Ferndale. Man, shoutout lang ko kana Shane, kana Chantal, and Mia, and yung mga friend, LGBT member, Ali, kana Katis, shoutout Ali, Panos Tedes, Alpahid, Omar, ayan, Erico Day Perez is watching, grabe, Kalipa, galaw lahat, Ralph Montero is watching, ayan, shoutout. Ayan si Aaron Pexon, ang pinaka-pogi na nakabangga ng angkol sa Santa Maria.
Foul jersey number 15. That's your second personal foul penalty for the free throw. 31.6 seconds on the game clock.
Kian Cordovilla, shoutout na mi Idol Kyle. Si Idol, shoutout ko sa this. Pa-shoutout by Ola Seaman, Maken, Bram, Team, Macti Ferndale.
And the shoot. 5.
It's a 10 seconds.
9 seconds.
It's a 9 seconds already mga ka-bowlers.
Turnover.
123 viewers natin. Shoutout sa inyong lahat.
Football ref, JT Sports ball. JT Sports.
Halika nga dito, Pexo. Aaron, halika ba dito? Alam ko nasa loob ka ng bench.
Khalifa. 7.8 seconds remaining.
And before that, we have still 7 seconds. Gusto natin pasalamatan ng ating mga minamahal na sponsors. To our beloved Mayor John Dalipe, AG Love, FJ Graphics, and to Dr. Aloys of Sensation, Era Basketball League, Alabar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Maria Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, our official media partner, and Croc Sports. Ayan, shoutout also sa Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. And to our beloved Mama Angking Collection. Shoutout sa iyo. We have still 7 seconds to end the second quarter. 3, 2.
Jersey number 12, Medallo. 3 free throws for Ronnie James Gagos.
And thank you so much sa ating sa aming uniform all the way sa S3 and Apparel. Thank you so much sa S3. Ang ganda ng tela and ang ganda ng pagka-print. No more timeout. It's a no more timeout for the team of JT Sports. Ayan, our official score.
Basket down.
And we end our third quarter.
27-50 in favor of Khalifa.
Our official running score of 27 serving 50 for the team Khalifa. Ayan. Shoutout kay RC Gulam. Nag-change career na siya, nag-badminton player, and also kay Climaco. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Kay Chong Amil dyan from Universidad de Zamboanga, ang soon to be cum laude ng SBM. Yan, mandaming nanonood na taga UZ. Ayan, kung sino nakakilala kay Chong, shoutout daw. Ayan, ang number 1, maganda na varsity player ng UZ. Shoutout kay Hachi Win, nandito, nanonood sa ating court. Shoutout po kay Gio Dave, malapit na birthday niya. Pag-greet na po siya. Shoutout kay Gio. Happy birthday. And shoutout kay Dean Sapayani, pinaka-cute ng Margaret. John Rex Yusuf, shoutout ka namon akin na karagasan. Jakas boto na mo. Miss ka na sa akin, Coach John from Yusuf John Rex. Shoutout kun mi idol si Christian Dayaw from Noah Kibilan. Ayan, isa-shoutout natin si Rusty Ali all the way from Department of Allied Medicine. Ayan, ang pinaka-cute. Medyo maba ang ang body. Medyo slim, and shoutout sa atin. Again, shoutout tayo muna while waiting sa ating third quarter. Dante Bacalya, shoutout akin na maasin. Ayan, hello sa ating 103 viewers. Hasan Kurs, shout out, and kay John Ramos, shout out also. Dante Bacalya, shout out kun Ronel, Asaya Entra kun Ronel Alegria. Ayan, grabe nagre-request. And there you have it mga kaballers, shout out kay Mr. Marabilia. Ayan, ang pinaka masarap na barbecue sa Navarro Drive. Ayan, as you can see. What's happened to you? Trixie Cadiz, shout out. Ayan. Genesis, shout out sa'yo. Ang pinakamagandang kaibigan all the way from Wemsu. Ayan. Trixie Cadiz from Pasunangka. Ayan. Single po yan si Cadiz, ha. Sa mga nagko-comment na baby boy, pwede nyo po i-chat si Trixie. Ayan. Shout out po ang and sino ba yan? Virgin ng Tetuan. Oh my God. Trixie Cadiz, shout out. And also watching Far. Sige lang. Ayan, shout out sa aking magagandang kaibigan na kina Chong, Far, Mia, and Katis. Si Chong ay nasa aking tabi. Ayan. Hinahanap ka. Ayan, there you have it. Back to the ball game tayo mga kaballers. Cyril Capistrano, shout out sa'yo, idol. The Money Mad for 2 points for the team Khalifa. Ayan, narito na po ang ating partner na si Miss Shane. Kaso medyo nahihirapan pa. Kay na LBM. Na-slow mo ang kanyang digestive system dahil sa kinain niyang siopaw. Ayan, nananawagan po siya sa Marabilla family for our barbecue dinner. Alfred Indanan is watching. Shout out. Good luck, Khalifa, for Darwisa. So, ayan nga po, mga kaballers. You are now in a third quarter. It's another 2 points for the team Khalifa. A basket count for jersey number 15, Ronnie James Galio. Lance Ledesma all the way from Sinunok. Shout out. Shout out kay Clyde Patagok. Logro hangover pase si Baki. At Sina. Ayan, mga ballers ha, iwasan natin ang uminom Yeah, it's another basket count for Maniman. Kevin Dollar. It's another 2 points. It's another 2 points for the team Kalipa. So, as you can see, medyo malayo-layo ang score, pero still, lumalaban ang team ng JT Sports. We are still in the third quarter. Marvin Eugenio is watching. Musab Hanapi is watching. Ayan, nakita kami kanina ni Musab sa crossing. Ayan, shoutout nga pala dyan sa festival ng Araw ng Bangingi. Ayan, shoutout sa Saidula family. Also, lalong-lalo na kay Mayor Nike Saidula. Ayan, shoutout dyan sa shoutout kay Bench Milan Varsity the Nieves University. Shoutout kay JJ Potpot rather. It's another 2 points. Yan, there you have it. Before that, again, gusto natin pasalamatan natin ating sponsors. This is a big fundamental basketball collaboration with the AG Lab Concept Store. And also to our beloved Mayor John Dalipe. To FJE Graphics. Thank you so much sa pangmalakasang edit ang ating mga editorial staff. And to Doctora Lois of Sensation. And also to Era Basketball League. Shoutout din also sa ating Alabar, ang #1 restaurant dito sa Zamboanga. And sikat to. And also sa Adex. And to Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Maria Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, and 89.9 Brigada News FM, our official media partner. And to Croc Sports, and to Angking Collection, shout out. And also sa S3 Apparel, shout out na sa inyo. And also sa ating official committee. Shout out sa table dyan sa taas. It's 68, serving 27. Commentator reveal from Kush Hassan. All the way, the player of team Talon Talon. Kakahabol pa kaya ang team ng JD Sports?
Pero may foul. 2 free throws. Foul on jersey number 11, Araneta. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Tumayo. jersey number 55, Sapat. Penalty.
Shoutout anay kay Akmat, ang season MVP ng Kasila sa Basketball League. Yan. Shoutout kay Felipe Jezreel, na di ko idol, si Adrian. Shoutout con ustedes. Stevenson, shoutout contigo Ali, kaya pa next month. Kaya pa si. Shoutout na kontra de Amon na sa pagkita, buya-buya tamen, dos juego ya kamo default. Sikin bagat stay, mga default. By Gian Santiago Seno. Actually, naglalaro din si Seno dito eh. I think si Alexander ata te. Alexander Seno. Pare ka ba? Shoutout kay Beats Kalimlim from Clarence Garcia. Shoutout ko Johnny Tinaya, Impermo man, Allen Agan. Yan, our official running score, 32 serving 70 for the team Kalipa. We have shoutout kun Jordan from Raymond Alcagno. Bahay Rivera Mila, shoutout kay Joshua Urbano. Bench Milan, shoutout kun Turalba, player the team Leia. Shoutout kun Khalifa, team Khalifa rather, from Fernandez. But Cedric Dominguez, shoutout daw kay Dominguez dito naglalaro sa loob ng court ng team JT Sports. Shoutout. Papasok si jersey number 7. I think kapatid ata to ni Musad. Si Alasis, right? Diba? Diba, Chong? Ayan, ang player ng Pagadian. Congratulations pala kay Coach Belorio. Sander Urbano, shout out, is watching all the way from Upper Calarian. Shout out sa Kambal. Ayan, ang bibi namin Kambal. Si Amara and Atara. Shout out. Shout out sa baby ko dyan na si Lucky Sambalud. Kung nanonood ka man, wala ka nang pakialam sa akin. Char lang, joke lang. Yan. Shoutout kung Xander Seno, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa. Wardell Muksan, yan. The team of Talon-Talon. Ayan. Also, meron to siyang small business. Small but terrible. Yan ang kanyang Wardell Sublimation. Sa gusto magpatahi dyan, pumunta na at mag-inquire kay Wardell Muksan sa kanyang Wardell Sublimation located at Talon-Talon. Raymond Alcagno, shout out. Kaya sa Chenepa Orago, GT Sport by Dante Bacalya. Yan, Steve, shout out kung John Tinaya, Jimmy Jr. Joshua Talib Abaw, shout out. Go Team Khalifa. Shout out the Market Legend girls, Jada Jirol, Lengjin, Ada Noor, and Tingkasan. Miss you girls watching from Asinan, Zamboanga City from Nuspasra Jalam. Shoutout kay Clarence Garcia by Beats Golimlim. Shoutout kay Gilmer sa Lapudin. Ang pisa ni Puti sa Lapudin. Shoutout din pala kay kay Nader Bakundo. Ayan, ang player ng Cebuco. Kay Jundi, ang pinaka-fresh na player ng trade. She said, watching from Hawaii, all the way from Wardell, Muksan. Shoutout kay Tambiling. It's a N1 na kumayaw.
First personal foul. Basket count on free throw.
Grabe si kumayaw. Shoutout kay Balon James, Sebastian, player ng Sinunog, by Edsel Tambiling. Amir Dulawi, shoutout sa iyo, idol. Kay May Shane, shoutout daw kung Gio Dave, birthday di suyo ara, player day Ateneo de Davao. Happy birthday Ali kun Gio Dave, player of Ateneo Davao. From John Paul Siason Angelada. Shoutout Anebe from Jace Pabian. Miyang, shoutout Kuntigo Ali. Shoutout also kay Muksan Lads. From Carl Fred. Hello sa ating 110 viewers. Grabe. Sayang, hindi ko na time capsule. Grabing block by Dominguez. It's 81 for the team Khalifa. Kaya pa yan? May isang quarter pa tayo. May final quarter pa. We have still 17 seconds.
Welcome back mga kabowlers. So 84-41 still in favor of Team Khalifa.
We'd like to remind our both teams to please practice clean as you go after the game. Please clean your special benches after the game.
Shoutout Justin Martin de Salcong, bukas ang birthday from bench. Shoutout kung Shinmar, Sunny Blasco, and Jente. Shoutout Neymar Bernardo, drug racer na sa Pogi, pasabongir pa man nakatras atay mo grabe. From Edsel Tambiling. Ang laki ng inahabol dito ng JD Sports. Shoutout Kun Muren.
Apple breaker, that's the basket. Easy two.
Shoutout po dito sa mga batang Quiapo sa Salaan. Batang Quiapo.
Christopher, Jerry Sports ball.
Taliga si ano? Si Coco Martin.
Malabos.
Mababang oras pa to guys, so pwede pang makahabol. Kung hindi man makahabol, at least to slim down the lead of Team Khalifa. Shoutout Madam Namanga Mampangenios Abdul Kair Asmad. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. So mahaba pa talagang oras natin. Pero malaki-laki yung inahabol dito ng Team JD Sports.
5 to shoot. Basket count.
Shoutout sa baby ko dyan. Sino bang baby mo? Warren Rebola. Shoutout kun Shinmar Sanglay Plastic. Says JR Jim Vincentes watching. Fast break. And one. Galabo. So, alam nyo guys, malayo-layo pa to. Pwede pa tong unless na mag-relax ang Khalifa with their defense. So, posibleng makahabol pa to. Pa-shout raw po kay Demdem from Lebron Abian. Pa-shout sa JT, wag na sila nawala yung Lance Lesma is watching. Thank you sa ating mga viewers na patuloy pa rin nanonood dito. Kahit gabi na, pero
substitution. Dial in.
Shout po kayo. Kaya si JT from Dante Bacala. Yes, kaya pa siya. Trabahalangan po namin eh. Shout po kay Benson Manese from Adrian Manese.
Steal by Araneta.
Still there, Araneta.
Dollar steal. And one.
Shoutout po kay pa-shoutout from Nevi. Shoutout po.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw.
14.
Suave.
And one play there by JD Sports.
5
Dali bola kung Alegaria from Dante Bacala.
Foul on 13, number 5.
Pa-shout kay Prince.
Gubit.
Mati kay Kian Adala. Rishwan Abdullah.
13 fouls. Foul jersey number 34, Rodney Araneta. That's your third foul. Fourth, warning for penalty. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Omar Basiri, and our league chairman. Kalabos, rebound by Bungyao King.
Shoutout, Rainier Bernardo Drug Racer ng Pogi. Shoutout sa mga student tour niya, chinagklasa mo niyan.
Ganyo out.
Araya, basta makabada ya, Gian. Sir, kaya gayon. Kinadaw na sila Mirawego. Sir, kaya gayon. 5 minutes siya lang. Konting tiis na lang. Araneta.
Wow.
Araneta ba? Hindi ka lang Fabian. Boss Alim Unding. Shout sa pinakamaganda kong asawa, si Gwen. Yes. Agree ako dyan, boss. Maganda nga talaga.
5 minutes and 7 seconds. 2 for 2.
Yung big fundamental shirt nyo pala, boss, nandun pala kay Coach Glenn.
Turnover, table, team sports ball.
Still there by Khalifa. But a foul was called there.
2 free throws.
Shot, good bond, James Sebastian, hindi klaro na skuro. Ay, grabe tamis eh. Todo man kita hindi klaro na skuro.
40 foul for Jerry Ford marking.
Shout out. Shout out kung Jeff Cani, Pogi, Derek, Nayaman.
Primo connection.
So, sitan drive kita nun, na specialmente na motor, usagat kita helmet, kay naku, bilmanadagat marites na kamino, kedagat kita sikat na Sambuanga Idiots. Idiot page. Shoutout kay Rex Sariul. Sharima Minula Akman is watching. We're under 4 minutes before we end this ball game.
Traveling.
And we'll find out kung sino yung of course, I think it's already safe to say, no? Alam na, kita-kita na sa score natin. But of course, lumalaban pa rin ang JT Sports. Shoutout ma'am, shoutout Shadim Aminullah Akman. Shoutout Galio from Arich Unding. Shoutout kay Ed South, tampiling mag-tryout ka na, sayang galing mo. San airball. Warzen Juhalit, yambakan laong. Hindi lang, it's not about winning, it's about learning and, you know, getting some experience. Yun yung napaka-importante. Shoutout kay Dimerin Dale Short from Seno. Nice pass. Shoutout Andre Perez El Bueno de Tolerance. Por eso gali hindi at reply kay Talia gali na Golden Boys sa Mira Game Aaron naka-uniform pa. From Hartisha Benigno na. Kasi sa dito yung ma'am si Aaron. Onde si Aaron tala na side ka. Shoutout Andre Perez El Bueno de Tolerance from Bon James Sebastian. Shoutout kay Cadiz Elmio Idol from Bon James Sebastian. Busy gadara si SK Kagawad Cadiz. Mahirap na hagilapin si Kagawa si chairman. Busy na si chairman Cadiz. Chairman Cadiz. Shoutout Romnick Araneta, malakas maglaro. Yes, the pride of Bungyao.
Ronnie James Gallo.
Yeah, sure. Lamabas ang mga players in Khalifa na atukusan in mga players nila sa Central kahapon dum.
1 minute and 51 seconds.
Mabasag, ibig sabihin, malakas, no? Shoutout kay Raton de Coco Cadiz, my idol. From Muhammad Nur Aziz Ismail. Oh, busy talaga si chairman. Shoutout kay Sir Bonnie Bonifacio Mendoza.
Turnover. Basket count.
Golden Boys yes, na Golden Boys is na daton mga regular games.
Table. 1 minute remaining.
Akin na Golden Boys. Watching from Labuan, shout out from Precious Seno, Gogo Kuya Sander Seno. Shout out kay Sir Bonnie Bonifacio, Sir Dale Alto Grade Sir Dadale Alto Grade. Why defense yung duwa, big man. Shout out adimyo teacher, era hindi yung bagsak. Hindi bagsak, basta sujabo namin. Hindi kat si mong bagsak.
Basket count. Turnover.
Balik kanila. Manano lang, manlambing lang kung teacher. Go Zander Seno from
seconds remaining.
Wash out kung Bronze Neil Jumas Junrey. Kaya suga si
We would like to remind both teams to please practice clean as you go. So please lang po pakilinis ng ating mga bench. So DJ Sampilani, please remind both teams.
So here in Big Fundamental Basketball, we implement play as clean as you go. Otherwise, may penalty po yan na 500 pesos sa mga team na iniiwan lang na madumi yung bench nila.
Congratulations, Team Khalifa.
So congratulations once again, Team Khalifa for winning back-to-back games. So see you on Thursday mga kabowlers. Bye. Magmanda ho gamamo.